Hi my dear students, in the previous class we have studied about chapter number 13 mathematics of class 4 second semester Karnataka state syllabus. In the previous class number 1 we have studied about difference between capacity and volume and what is an unit, and then third one units for small quantity of volume and large quantity of volume, and then relationship between liter and milliliter, which is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then we studied about converting from liter to milliliter, and then from milliliter to liter. Liter to milliliter is from bigger unit to smaller unit, and milliliter to liter is converting from smaller unit to bigger unit. In the both cases, what we must do, whenever we convert from higher unit to lower unit, we multiply, and whenever we convert from lower unit to higher unit, then we will divide. This has been discussed in detail till previous class. Now we will move further. It is page number 62 of your mathematics textbook of semester 2, chapter number 13, measurement of volume. Now we are studying addition of volume. In today's class, I hope I will complete the chapter. Now in this topic, what we do, we add the volumes, addition of volume. Okay, how we will add the volumes of liquid? Volume we will usually it is a liquid, whether it may be water or milk or oil or something. If it is a liquid, we will measure it in volumes. Okay, and what is the unit we use in this chapter? We are learning about two units. One is milliliter, which is a smaller unit, and liter, which is a bigger unit. Okay. See, Sujata purchases different kinds of oil. Sujata purchases different kinds of oil from an oil retailer. Sujata purchases 2 liter 500 milliliter of sunflower oil. This is a first given data. First given data is 2 liter 500 milliliter of sunflower oil. You write the given data, what is given in the question, you have to write it down. Sunflower oil is what is the volume of sunflower oil she purchases? 2 liter and 500 milliliter. This is the first given data, number 1. Then 1 liter 0 milliliter of coconut oil. This is a second given data in the question. 1 liter 0 milliliter, and then 2 liter 0 milliliter of groundnut oil. Okay. This is a third data. Whatever the data given in the question, you please note it down first. Okay. The volume of oil is given in two units. First unit is liter and second unit is milliliter. You have two units, mixed units in this question, right? You are able to see 2 liter and 500 milliliter. You note it down separately. One is 2 liter and another one is 500 milliliter. Okay. And what he is asking is, find the total quantity of oil purchased. See here, what we have to find? Total quantity of oil. Whenever the word total, it is asking to find the total quantity. Whenever you see this word total, then you keep in the mind you have to add it. Okay. We have to find the total quantity of oil purchased by her. Total quantity of oil Sujata purchases from an oil retailer, we have to find. They have given different types of oil: sunflower oil 2 liter 500 ml, and coconut oil is 1 liter 0 ml, and groundnut oil of volume 2 liter 0 ml. We have noted it down the given volumes one by one, and we have to find the total quantity. Total quantity is, first we will add the smaller unit volume. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0 0 5 plus 0 plus 0 5 500 ml 500 ml, and then we will add whatever volume is in liters. 2 plus 1 2 liter plus 1 liter plus 2 liter, which is 5 liters. So, the total is 5 liter and 500 ml of oil is purchased by her, purchased by Sujata. Observe, liter and milliliter are given separately. Did you understand? This is how we used to add the volume. Come to the next page. Example 1. Abhijit used 3 different color paints for his house. What he used? Paint. 3 different color paints. Okay. He used 12 liter 500 milliliter of white paint. This is the first given data. You note it down here. Of white paint. White paint is what is the volume of white paint? 12 liter 500 milliliter. Then brown paint 3 liter 0 milliliter. Write it down. And then black paint 1 liter 0 milliliter. Write it down. 1, 2, 3. 3 colors of paint Abhijit used to paint his house. Okay. We have noted the given data, and what is asked to find is find the total quantity of paint used by him. See the word total. If total comes in a question, then what you must do? You have to add. Find the total quantity of paint used by him means including all the colors, how much is the quantity which he has used. Then we must add all the volumes. Now, you have written separately liters and milliliters separate. We have 2 mixed units. We have both liter and milliliter in this question, right? One is liter. Liter is a bigger unit, milliliter is a smaller unit. First you add whichever is in milliliters. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0 5, 500 milliliter. Okay. Then add whichever is in liter. 2 plus 3 plus 1 6, 1 1, 16 liters. Okay. Total volume of paint is 16 liter and 500 milliliter. Hope you understand from this example. Let us move on to the exercise 13.3. See, first main, add the following. See, this is very easy. In the beginning they have given only in one unit, which is lower unit, which is that ml. Okay. You just keep on adding. This you know very well, but it is just like a revision for you. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 7, 750 ml. Do not forget to write the unit ml. You have to write, you must write it, otherwise you may lose the marks. Now second question, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 5 9 ml, 5 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 2 3, sorry 5 plus 0 is 5, write the unit ml. Now in fourth question you have question in 2 units, one is liter and milliliter. So we add milliliter first because it is a smaller unit. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 7, write the unit ml. 3 plus 5 8, write the unit L, 8 liter 700 milliliter. Got it? Now let us move to second main, solve these problems. A milkman delivered 85 liter 250 milliliter of milk to dairy on Monday. This is the first given data. On Monday, how much of milk he delivered? 85 liter 250 milliliter. You have to write complete sentence here. I am writing only Monday, but you have to write a milkman delivered milk to dairy on Monday is equal to 85 liter 250 milliliter. Like this you have to write, but I am writing in short form. Okay, you have to write it completely, and then 97 liter 500 milliliter of milk on Tuesday. How much? 97 liter 500 milliliter. Okay. Then find the total quantity of milk he delivered in those 2 days. See here the word total means you have to add it 0 5 7, write the unit milliliter. 5 plus 7 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18. So what is the total quantity of milk he delivered in those 2 days? 182 liter and 750 milliliter. Here you must write total quantity of milk he delivered in those 2 days is equal to 182 liter and 750 milliliter. You have to write the statements completely. I am not writing here, you must write. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. Harry has 3 buckets of capacities. How much? 9 liter. Second bucket is 15 liter and third one is 20 liter. How much water can be stored in these containers? They have given 3 buckets of different capacities and asking to find how much water can be stored in these 3 containers. Then we must add 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 44 liters. Here you must write 44 total volume of water can be stored in 3 containers is equal to 44 liters. Okay, you must write it. Now come to question number 3. A ration shopkeeper has 3 drums of capacities 100 liter, 150 liter and 50 liter. First one is 100, first given value is 100 liter, then second one is 150 liter and third one is 50 liter filled with kerosene. You note it down. First drum is 100 liter, second drum is 150 liter, and third drum is 50 liter capacity filled with kerosene. What is the total quantity of kerosene he has stored? What is we must find the total quantity of kerosene. Then we must add it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. What is the answer? 300 liter. Right here total quantity of kerosene he has stored is equal to 300 liters. Question number 4. A shopkeeper sold 12 liter to 50 milliliter of groundnut oil. See here question is given in mixed units, both in liter and milliliter, bigger unit, smaller unit. Groundnut oil is 12 liter, write separately. Liter is separate, milliliter is separate. Then 5 liter 500 milliliter of 5 liter 500 milliliter of coconut oil and 2 liter of gingerly oil. It is pronounced as gingerly. Okay, gingerly oil is 2 liter, no smaller unit here. Okay, how many liters of oil did he sell altogether? Altogether means it is a total. He is asking a total. Okay, he has given 3 types of oil and sold 3 types of oil. One is groundnut and coconut and gingerly. How many liters of oil did he sell altogether means you must add. Whether you have to do addition or subtraction, you have to understand by reading the question carefully. By reading the question carefully, you must understand whether you have to add or subtract. In exam, they will not tell you. Here you have the heading that this is a addition. See, addition of volume. You are doing these problems under the topic, under the heading addition of volume. So, you are adding. You should not be like that. You have to understand, read the question carefully and understand it very well. Then only you can able to decide whether you have to add or you have to subtract. In this topic, all the problems are of addition, but whenever you read and understand the question, then you will you can decide whether you must add it or subtract. Okay. Here he is asking how many liters of oil did he sell altogether. Altogether means you have to add 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 7. Write down the unit milliliter and add the liters. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 9, 1, 19 liter 750 milliliter, right here. Altogether he sell 9 liter 750 milliliter of oil. Okay. Next page. Bengaluru city received rainfall of 150 ml in the month of June. In the month of June, this is the first given data. June, what rainfall Bengaluru city received? 150 ml. In the month of July, 320 ml, and in month of August 240 ml. Find the total rainfall in these 3 months. Then total has come in the question, then go on adding 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 10 ml is the total rainfall in these 3 months. You have to write here total rainfall in these 3 months, 7 10 ml. Okay, this is the addition of volume we studied. Now, let us move on to the subtraction of measurement of volume. See, Rani purchased 2 liter 500 milliliter of milk. She used 2 liter 100 milliliter of it to prepare kheer. The first given data is she purchased 2 liter 500 milliliter of milk, and in that purchased milk she used 2 liter 100 milliliter of it to prepare kheer, right, and remaining milk to prepare curd. Remaining milk to prepare curd. Find the quantity of milk she used to prepare curd. Okay, you have to read. Already I told you. First, you have to read the question and understand it carefully. Rani purchased 2 liter 500 ml of milk means in that milk she has prepared kheer and she has some milk remaining to prepare curd. Then which one is the total volume of milk here? Total, what is the total volume of milk? Total volume is whatever she has purchased, that is the total volume, that is the total volume of milk. Which one is that? 2 liter 500 milliliter. This is what the total is already given in the question. Total quantity is already given in the question, then no need of addition is there here. No need of adding anything. Okay, then what we have to do? Total is given, and in that total quantity of milk she used 2 liter 100 milliliter of it to prepare kheer, and she has remaining milk also to prepare the curd. Okay, we have to find that remaining milk. After using some quantity to prepare kheer from the total, from what she has purchased, we have to find remaining quantity. Then what we have to do? Whatever she has used to prepare the kheer, we must subtract it from whatever she purchased, the quantity of milk, right. First write total quantity of milk she purchased, 2 liter and 500 milliliter she purchased. Then quantity of milk used to prepare kheer is 2 liter and 100 milliliter. Okay. See here the table, liter is mentioned in a separate table and milliliter is mentioned in separate table. Now we want to find the milk she used to prepare curd. Quantity of milk used to prepare curd is minus total quantity of milk minus quantity of milk used to prepare kheer minus. We are doing subtraction here. Then only we can find out what she has remaining with her to prepare curd. Now subtract whatever is in milliliter. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 1 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then the remaining milk with Rani is 400 ml. You have to write this ml also. Now let us see one example. A school tank has a capacity of 500 liter. School tank, what is the capacity of school tank, quantity of water in a school tank is 500 liter. See number 1 given data 500 ml. 500 liter. 200 liter of water is used for school gardening. 200 is used for school gardening. This one also we have written. So, how much of water is remaining in the tank? If remaining is come in the question, then you go on and subtract. Not in every question remaining is mentioned, but we have to read the question and understand it, whether we must do addition or subtraction, because the school tank has a capacity of 500 liter, means it is the total capacity of the tank. If the total is there in question, then there is no question of addition. Then we have to do subtraction itself. Okay. Then we have to subtract whatever water is used for school gardening from whatever the capacity of the school tank given. Then we will get the remaining quantity of water in a tank. Okay. Minus 500 minus 200 is 300 liter. Mention the unit liter. Got it, students? Okay. Move on to the next page. Exercise 13.4. Subtract the following. Question number 1, given in milliliter, only 1 liter, 1 unit, single unit, that is milliliter. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 5 3, 300 ml. Second one, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 5, can't subtract, borrow 1, 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 3 1, 150 ml. 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 8 0, 1, 100 ml. Now, question is in mixed units. First subtract smaller unit, 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 6 2, 270 ml. Now, come to bigger unit, 9 minus 4 5, 2 minus 1 1 liter. Question number 5, 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 4 4, write down the unit ml, 9 minus 5 4, 6 minus 2 4, 1 as it is liter. Do not forget to mention the unit. Okay, it is easy. Now, come to the problems. Solve. Sarita bought 3 liter 500 milliliter of kerosene. This is the total amount of kerosene she bought, total. Okay. She used, from this kerosene, she used 2 liter 250 milliliter of kerosene. She used this one. See, 3 liter 500 milliliter is she bought. You have to write complete statement here. I am writing it in one word, but you have to write complete. Sarita bought the quantity of kerosene Sarita bought is equal to 3 liter 500 milliliter. The kerosene used is equal to 2 liter 250 milliliter. Now, how much quantity of kerosene remains? See the word remains. Then what you have to do? Subtract 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 2 2. Write down the unit ml. 3 minus 2 1, 1 liter 250 milliliter. The quantity of kerosene remains is, you have to write here, the quantity of kerosene remains is equal to 1 liter 250 milliliter. Now, come to the second question. The capacity of milk cooker is 2 liter 500 milliliter. This contains capacity. I have explained about capacity in the first class itself. Okay. The capacity is 2 liter 500 milliliter, that is the total capacity a cooker can um, can be filled. 2 liter 500 milliliter. This milk cooker contains 1 liter 200 milliliter of milk. What it contains? One liter 200 milliliter of milk. How much more milk can be filled in the vessel? See, understand the question. The capacity of milk cooker is 2 liter 500 milliliter. It is a total capacity. You cannot fill more than that. You cannot fill more than 2 liter 500 ml in that milk cooker. It contains 1 liter 200 milliliter of milk. And how much more milk can be filled in the vessel means how much more space is remaining. How much more space is remaining? You have to read, understand the question well, and you have to decide whether you have to add or subtract. Now, the total quantity is given of the cooker, and what the volume of milk contains, it is also given, and it is he is asking you how much more milk can be filled in the vessel. Then you have to subtract, then only you can come to know how much more milk can be filled in the vessel, right? 0 0 0 5 minus 2 3. Write down the unit ml. 2 minus 1 liter 300 milliliter. Did you understand? If you don't understand, you can comment in the comment section. I can explain you in comments itself. Question number 3, the capacity of a water tank is 500 liter. See, the capacity of water tank is 500 liter, means it is a total capacity. You cannot fill more than 500 liter in the tank. Okay, this is a total capacity 500 liter. The tank contains 375 liter of water. What it contains? 375 liter of water. How much water should be poured to fill the tank to its capacity? Then, by understanding the question, you come to know that you have to subtract what the tank contains from what is the capacity of the tank. What the tank contains from what is the capacity of the tank. Capacity is the total volume what the water tank will contain. It is a 500. Now, subtract 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 4 minus 1 3 liter. Mention the unit. If we pour 125 liters of water, the tank will be full. This is the answer. You have to write the statements, okay, in the exam. In 500 ml of cold drink bottle, only 320 ml of cold drink is left. What is the total capacity? Which is the which he has given in the first given data, 500 ml. The capacity of bottle itself is 500 ml. You cannot fill it more than 500 ml because the volume is itself 500 ml. 320 ml of cold drink is left. How much is left in the bottle? 320 ml. How much cold drink is consumed? If the bottle is of 500 ml and the leftover in the bottle is 320 ml, then how much is consumed? Then what we have to do? How much is consumed? If you want to find how much cool drink is consumed, then we have to subtract what is left over in the bottle from the capacity of that bottle. What is the capacity of the bottle? 500 ml. What is left over? 320 ml. Then subtract it, so that you will get what is consumed. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 2 means 10 minus 2, 8, 4 minus 3, 180 ml is consumed. Rajiv fills 12 liter 800 milliliter of petrol to his car. This is the total amount of petrol he has filled. 12 liter 800 milliliter of petrol to his car. After traveling a certain distance of 3 liter 500 milliliter of petrol is remaining in the tank. What is remaining in this tank after traveling? It is 3 liter and 500 milliliter is remaining, still remaining in tank. What is the quantity of petrol he filled? 12 liter 800 milliliter. And what is remaining after his journey? 3 liter 500 milliliter. And what he is asking in the question, how much petrol was used for his journey? How much petrol was used? If you want to find how much he has used, then we have to subtract how much is remaining from how much he filled, right? Then only you come to know what is used for his journey. Understand? Then we have to subtract lower unit. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 300 milliliter, 12 minus 3, 9 liter. This is what the petrol used for journey is, 9 liter 300 milliliter. This completes subtraction of volume. Okay. Now, let us come to the estimating volume. Next heading is estimating volume. Estimating means we do not know accurate measurement of a volume, but we will approximately tell this may be so and so liter, so and so milliliters. That is called estimating volume. It has been explained here clearly. You just read this. Take a mug and a bucket. Fill the bucket with water using the mug. How many mugs of water is required to fill the bucket? Can you say it accurately? Most of the time we cannot say it accurately. What method do we adopt in such cases? We tell approximately 15 mugs of water is required to fill the bucket. When we actually do it using measuring jars, we find the accurate measurement. Okay. See, you have one bottle in front of you. It is, some part of it is filled and some part of it is empty. Okay. If I ask you, imagine it is a 500 ml bottle. 500 ml bottle. It is some of it is filled and some of it is empty. Can you able to say what volume of water the bottle contains? Can you say accurately? No. You have drank from a 500 ml bottle. From half liter bottle you have drank some water, and some water is left in the bottle. Can you accurately say what is the volume of water inside the bottle? No, we cannot say accurately. By seeing the bottle, we can say only estimated volume. This is called estimated volume, because if you see the bottle is filled more than half, you will say maybe 300 ml or 320 ml water is present inside the bottle, and how much is consumed means you can say maybe 150 or 180 ml, right? Don't get confused. If you are not getting it, I will tell you another one time. uh, you have 500 ml bottle in front of you and you drank some water from it. Before drinking it was 500 ml, water is 500 ml. When you consume some water, there is still water in the bottle. You cannot say actual measurement of the water present in the bottle now. Okay. Before consuming, you can accurately say it contains 500 ml of water. After consuming some of the water, you cannot say accurately. You can just estimate, maybe 300 ml is present inside, or 350 ml or 400 ml is present inside the bottle. This is what estimating volume, right? Did you got the point? Okay. See, if you have sump in your house, if I ask you how many buckets of water this sump have, can you able to say? No, you just estimate it. You can say maybe 200 buckets or 300 buckets, like that. You estimate some value and say, so that it should make sense. Okay, that is estimating. If a child drinks milk every day, we cannot keep on measuring how many ml of milk the child is consuming. Whenever he is hungry, he will come and drink some milk in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night. Then we cannot keep on measuring. We just estimate maybe 800 ml or maybe 1 liter or 1.5 liter the child has consumed. This is what estimating. See the definition here. When we cannot tell the exact measurement, we guess nearer to the exact value. Okay. When we cannot tell the exact measurement, we guess nearer to the exact value. This is called estimation. This is the definition of estimation. Okay. Recall any 3 situations in your daily life where estimation is used and write them below. You have to do it by yourself. You think in your daily life and you mention any 3 of them. Okay. Or else you go through this chapter in your textbook, you can get the answers here itself, right? Now come to exercise 13.5. Put a tick mark on the correct option to show the estimated capacity of the following. You see the pictures and put tick mark on the correct option. You have to use your mind here. Okay, glass. Can this glass hold capacity of 200 liters? No, the glass doesn't have a capacity to hold 200 liters. Okay, it can contain only 200 ml. So put a tick mark, 200 ml. Next, here is a bowl, golden color bowl. I am talking about. He has given 2 options. One is 20 liter, another is 500 ml. So by seeing it itself, we can think it does not, it cannot hold 20 liter. So 500 ml is the estimated value. Okay. The estimated capacity of this bowl is 500 ml. Now look at the bottle, water bottle. Is it a 6 liter bottle? No, it is a 500 ml bottle. Now come to this tumbler. See, he has given 2 options, 1 liter and 8 liter. By seeing this tumbler, we cannot able to say whether it is a 1 liter or 8 liter estimated capacity, because tumbler looks 1 liter tumbler also looks same in the picture in the book, and 8 liter also tumbler also looks like a same. If we see it directly from our eyes in front of us, then only we can tell the estimated capacity also, but it is looking big for me. So, I am putting a tick mark to 8 liter. Now, come to this bucket. 15 liter is first option, second option is 15 ml. 15 ml it does not make sense. Okay. So, we estimate the capacity of this bucket is 15 liter. Come to this syringe, 10 ml, 10 liter. This is a common sense, 10 ml. 10 liter, no syringe can hold. Fill up the blanks by estimating volume. Volume of water in the school tanks. If your school has a tank, water tank, you have to estimate a value for it. Maybe we can estimate 500 liter. Volume of water in a water jug 1 liter. Volume of water a cow drinks per day. How many liters a cow drinks per day? You can estimate 8 liters. Volume of water an adult drinks per day, 3 liter. Okay. And third mean, write the estimated volume and actual volume of the following by measuring with standard unit of measurement. Take the help of your teacher. Okay. We have to write estimated volume and its actual volume. Here, see water in a water filter. Water filter in my house, water filter it is of 15 liters is actual volume of the water filter which is present in my home. Whenever I see it, I can estimate 12 liter, sometimes 12 liter I can estimate by seeing it. Okay. Actual volume is 15 liter. Water bottle, this example I have given already. If it is a 500 ml bottle, actual volume 500 ml I can estimate by looking into it. 450 ml. Water in a sump, if I estimate 470 liter. The actual volume is 500 liter. Okay, hope you understand this. Estimating volume. Here we have completed this chapter measurement of volume is completed here. Okay. You please see my both videos. If you don't understand, you repeat it. I have explained it very well, clearly, briefly, so that each and every student can understand. If you have any doubts, you can put it in comment section. I will reply to it, and you ask other your friends to see this. You share these videos with your friends, with your classmates, and ask them to like and subscribe my channel, and I will keep on posting the videos of up to the class 10th subject mathematics, and both state syllabus and CBSE syllabus. And whoever are willing to come and learn from me directly, you can attend my classes if you are in Mysore. In Mysore, I will teach in my tutorial. If you are willing to come and join me, I am doing a crash course also for students. So, because you all students have exams in a month of March. So, I am doing I am taking the admissions now. In 2 months I will prepare very well. Okay. Uh, so, let us stop here and keep on